That's why our Verify team is constantly looking into rumors about the coronavirus to spread facts, not fear. So you've probably seen a lot of pictures and video of people wearing those surgical masks to protect them from germs that could cause the coronavirus. Well, do these paper masks actually protect you from getting sick? Our source here, Dr. Louis Ostrowski, an infectious diseases expert with UT Physicians, he says no, just wearing a mask will not protect you from catching the coronavirus. If anything, it would give you a false sense of security because there are other ways to spread the virus, like touching something that could have germs on it. The doctor says the CDC does not recommend healthy people wear masks, but infected patients may wear them to contain the virus because coughing or sneezing puts others at risk. And this is true for most respiratory viruses like the flu, which so far has been more deadly this season than the coronavirus. So we can verify the idea that a mask can protect you from coronavirus is false. If you have questions about this global health emergency, send them to our Verify team. Email verify@khou.com or reach out to us on Facebook.